Okay, let's turn your volunteer work into a real superpower on your CV.
So, should you even put it on your CV? The answer is a huge yes, but only if you do it right.
Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They just list it, and that's a total missed opportunity. Seriously, think of it as your secret weapon. It shows you go that extra mile, which no certificate can.
This stuff? This is exactly what employers are looking for, real-world skills that actually matter.
So, when is it a really big deal? Well, sometimes it can be a total game changer. If any of these sound like you, then your volunteer work becomes your secret weapon in your application.
So, where does it go? Placement is key to making sure it actually gets seen.
Give it its own space. A dedicated section makes it pretty much impossible for recruiters to miss. It's a pretty simple formula. When did you do it? What did you do? And what was the result? Check out the difference. You're not just listing a task, you're telling a real success story. Numbers make your impact real and super impressive, so use them whenever you can.
This one sentence just screams project management, budgeting, and taking charge. See?
And this shows you're a leader who can plan and motivate a team. So powerful. The bottom line is this: transform simple tasks into impressive, result-driven achievements. So go on. What's your story? Use these tips, tell it well, and go get that job.